Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth, no-nonsense reviews on trending and top-rated products. Today, we're featuring what we consider the best dog sweater for winter. Yes, you heard that right, the Fitwarm Turtleneck Fleece Dog Sweater Pajamas. This one's a standout in both warmth and style, and if you're looking for the perfect winter onesie for your small dog, you're in the right place. Let's start with the design. Right out of the packaging, this dog pajama hits you with charm. It's got a classic turtleneck that adds not just style but serious warmth. It's made specifically for small dog breeds, so think Chihuahuas, Yorkies, or toy poodles. And here's the thing. It's not just another pet outfit trying to look cute. This has substance behind the style. The turtleneck extends comfortably around your dog's neck without choking or sagging, and the collar detailing gives it a smart, festive vibe that's perfect for the holidays or cozy winter days. Now let's talk materials. This sweater is made from ultra-soft fleece fabric. It's not just soft to the touch, it's thick, insulating, and perfect for those biting cold mornings. The fleece keeps your pet warm from neck to tail and even down to the paws. Yes, it's a full-body design. Four-legged coverage means their little paws and legs are tucked in and protected from cold surfaces or chilly air. This full body coverage is a huge plus for dogs that don't have thick fur or who are prone to getting cold quickly. The fit is another area where the Fitwarm sweater shines. Unlike a lot of dog clothes that look cute on the rack but don't fit quite right, this one is tailored with small breeds in mind. The company makes it clear. Follow the chest size for the most accurate fit. The XS size, for example, fits chest girths up to around 12 inches. It has just enough stretch to accommodate movement but stays snug enough that it doesn't shift or twist as your dog walks, runs, or naps. One of the things I appreciate most about this sweater is how easy it is to put on and take off. The fleece has a natural elasticity, which means you won't be wrestling with your dog to get each leg through. Plus, it stays in place without using any buttons or zippers, which can irritate sensitive skin or fur. It slides on like a second skin, which is especially helpful for older dogs or pups that get anxious during dressing. And we can't overlook the aesthetics. The red color is rich and vibrant. It stands out in the snow and looks fantastic in photos. Whether it's for a holiday card, a snowy day stroll, or just lounging around the house, your pup will look both adorable and well insulated. It's festive without being over the top and stylish without sacrificing comfort. From a practical perspective, the Fitwarm sweater is also machine washable. No special care required. Just toss it in on a gentle cycle and it comes out looking as good as new. The fleece doesn't pill easily, and the color holds up after multiple washes. If you live in a place where winters are cold and your small dog shivers at the first gust of wind, this isn't just a fashion piece, it's a functional necessity. The combination of full-body warmth, fleece comfort, and turtleneck design makes it a top-tier option. Add in the ease of use and classic styling, and it easily earns the title of Best Dog Sweater Warm Winter Fleece. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've got a small dog and want them to stay warm and cozy this winter while looking like a four-legged fashion icon, the Fitwarm Turtleneck Fleece Pajamas should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, right here on Product Critique. See you next time.